Good morning, dear students and friends. Welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. As we are continuing the social studies series for Karnataka State Boards, SST part number 2, revised syllabus of 2024 and 25. In this video, I am going to discussing the question answers of 8 standards, chapter number 26, HYDROSPHERE. So without a delay, let's start the question answers of HYDROSPHERE. Exercises in that first main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. The average depth of continental shelf is dash. So answer is 100 fathoms. 100 fathoms. Now move to the next. 1 fathom is equal to dash feet. 6 feet. Now move to the next. The deepest place in the Pacific Ocean is the Challenger Deep. Now move to the fourth one. The average salinity of the ocean water is dash 35 ppt. Then fifth one. The tides, dash tides occur during full moon. So answer is spring. When the full moon will be there, that time the spring tides will be occur. Now move to the second main. Answer the following questions briefly. What is hydrosphere? The hydrosphere is the most important layer of Earth. Nearly 71% of the total area of the Earth is covered by water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. All these water bodies are called as hydrosphere. Mention the 4 major parts of the ocean floor. The 4 major parts of the ocean floor are the continental shelf, the continental shelf, the deep sea plain, and the ocean deep. State the difference between ocean currents and the tides. Ocean currents are the regular movement of ocean water from one region to another. At the same time, tides are the periodic rise and fall in the sea or ocean level. Ocean currents are of 2 types, warm currents and the cold currents. But tides, where they occur due to the gravitational attraction by the moon, gravitational force by the sun, then and centrifugal force of the earth. The 2 types of tides are spring tide and the one more is neap tides. Distinguish means differences between spring tide and the neap tide. Spring tides take place when the earth, the moon and the sun are in the same straight line. Neap tides occurs in the first quarter and last quarter days in the phase of the moon. For example, in spring, new moon and full moon days. In neap tides, during this time the sun and the earth are in the same straight line and moon is in a right angle to the earth. Now 10th one, how can we conserve the oceans? So answer is, the following are the important methods of conservation of oceans. So first one in that, oil transportation should be done through the pipelines. Then second one, nuclear waste should not be dumped into the sea or oceans. Then next it is petrochemical industries in the coastal regions must avoid dumping effluents, yeah, especially the liquid waste into the sea or ocean. Dumping of any waste near the ports and the harbors must be controlled. Ore deposition and the mineral exploitation along the coast must be controlled. Exploitation and destruction of the beaches must be controlled. Then third, match the following. Fathom. So now next move to the third main, match the following. In that A, B two parts. In that first A, in that first, second, third till the V means for fifth I am going to read. Fathom, then Oasia, Oasio, Gulf Stream, Sea Moons, then here Agulas current. Okay. So first one, the fathom answer is measuring the depth of the ocean. Then second one, Oasio, the answer is C means cold current. Gulf Stream, the answer is B means eastern coast of USA. Sea Moons is a deep sea plain, and Agula's current, Indian Ocean current. Okay, now move to the fourth one. Define the following. In that 11th, continental shelf. This is the this is the this area we're going to consider as we are going to consider as a shallow area along the sea coast. This part is bordered by the sea coast on one side and continental shelf on the other sides. The average depth of the continental shelf is 100 fathoms. Salinity. It is the percentage of salts dissolved in the sea or ocean water. The average salinity of the ocean water is 35 ppt. The salinity of the ocean water is very high near the tropics and it is very low near the poles. 13th, warm and cold currents. These currents originate and flow from the equatorial regions to subpolar regions. These currents originate in the polar regions and flow towards the equatorial region. Means warm currents warm currents originate and flow from the equatorial regions to the subpolar region, and cold current originate in the polar regions and flow towards the equatorial region. Then move to the 14th, high tide and low tide. The high tides, also known as flood tide, and second one, okay, and the second one means low tides, also known as the EBB tide. Then next come to the Benguela current. It is a South Atlantic Ocean cold current. Tides. Tides are the periodic rise and fall in the sea or ocean level. So, my dears, by this one, we have completed the question answer of this lesson, hydrosphere. So, if you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment and like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos from my sites. And if you come to know this video is worthful for you, then please share this video among your friends. So thanks for watching this video, my dears. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.